Hey there, explorers! Welcome back to Bite-Sized Lessons. Today we're going to make a yummy snack that lots of people love. Can you guess what it is? It's a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Let's make one together. Before we begin, remember to always ask a grown-up for help in the kitchen. Let's get started. First, we need our ingredients. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4. We need 2 slices of bread, peanut butter, jelly, and a butter knife. That's everything we need. First step, place 2 slices of bread on a clean plate. Can you count them? 1, 2. Great job! Now it's peanut butter time. Use the butter knife to scoop a little peanut butter. Spread it gently across 1 slice of bread. Move the knife. Left, right, up, and down. Try to cover the whole slice. Now let's grab the jelly. Scoop a little onto the second slice of bread. Spread it all around. Nice and smooth. What color is your jelly? Is it purple? Is it red? Or is it orange? There are lots of delicious choices. Now comes the fun part. Pick up the peanut butter slice, turn it over, and gently place it on top of the jelly slice. Now we have a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Ask a grown-up to help cut the sandwich. Should we cut it into rectangles or triangles? Before we eat, let's clean up. Great job helping. Now it's time for the best part, taking a bite. Delicious. Today we learned how to make a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. We gathered our ingredients, spread the peanut butter, spread the jelly, put the bread together, and cleaned up afterward. You did an amazing job. Thanks for joining us on Bite-Sized Lessons. See you next time, explorers!